My name is Supriya. Thank you for giving this opportunity to introduce myself. And while coming to my education background, I have completed my intermediate in Narayana Junior College and I have completed my engineering in Shantiram Engineering College. While coming to my family background, my mother name is Sunanda. She is a housewife and my father name is Gopal and he is a businessman and my brother name is Sai Santosh. While coming to my skills, I'm proficiency in Java and my additional skills are Oracle, HTML, CSS, etc. And I have my strength is I'm a quick learner and I'm able to communicate in English and I have very adapting skills etc. And my weakness is my helping nature. My short term goal is to become a Java developer. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. You done final year project.
Yes, ma'am.
Which skills are used?
Blockchain, it is mainly based on the blockchain technologies. Nowadays, counterfeit products are going very rapidly. Because of that counterfeit products, so many original manufacturers are get affected. So that we can use blockchain. By using blockchain, we can able to hide the internal details of the products in our software.
Okay. You done Java, Oracle, HTML, CSS, JS, and Bootstrap.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You know all.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. First, HTML. What is HTML?
HTML is a hypertext markup language. It is used to interact with the web browsers. It is one of the language which is used to interact with the browser by using tags like OL, UL and the basic HTML tags. That's
What is anchor tag?
anchor tag is used to represent the links. We can able to use to hyperlinks now.
Okay. What are attributes?
Attributes are head tag, title, and meta tag. These are the tags.
Okay. What is Java?
Java is the object-oriented programming language which is mainly based on the OOPS concepts like inheritance, abstraction, and encapsulation. Inheritance is mainly based on the code reusability. We don't want to write the code in the child method also. By writing the code in the parent method, we can acquire the properties and methods. By using that properties and methods, we can write our own logic in the child method so that we can able to reduce the code in the child method.
Okay. What are the features of Java?
The Java is object oriented. Mainly it is based on the objects and it is platform independent. It can be run on any other operating system. It is not the platform dependent. That means we can able to write on one computer system and we can run that program in any other computer system.
What is JVM?
JVM is a Java virtual machine. It is the main one when we are writing the program. It is the used to compile the errors, and whenever there is an exception, it throws an exception by using the Java virtual exception handler.
What are OOPS concepts?
OOPS concepts are inheritance, encapsulation, and the abstraction and polymorphism. While coming to the abstraction, it is used to hide the internal details. That means any complexity details. While coming to one example, whenever we take a car, we show the structure of a car. Instead of showing the structural details like engine, we don't show the internal details to every user, so that we can able to hide the internal details for the security purpose. And while coming to polymorphism means one method having different forms. It will act based on the situation like method overriding. We have method overriding. Method overriding means a method having same names with same parameters. We use method overriding by using the non-static methods, and while coming to the encapsulation, we can able to access the private fields by using the public methods. This phenomena is called encapsulation.
What is SQL?
SQL is a structured query language. It is used to interact with the database by using some basic languages like data definition language, data manipulation language, data control language, transaction control language, etc.
And what is database?
Database is used to store the collection of data so that we can manipulate and manage the data in the software.
Okay, write the code for Armstrong in Java. Okay. Mm, write SQL query for update
For which condition, ma'am?
employee.
Employee.
Okay, you done well. What is JavaScript?
JavaScript is it is one of the language. It is used to interact with the web pages also. It is used to mainly for the carousels. When we want to design a carousels or web pages with CSS and HTML, we will use the JavaScript.
Okay, what are the difference between Java and JavaScript?
Java means it is a purely object oriented programming language. While coming to the JavaScript, it is not a object oriented programming language. It is partially object oriented language. In the Java is completely based on the object, and JavaScript it is used to interact with the web pages only.
What is Spring Boot?
Spring Boot is also one of the language. It is used to reduce the code of the Java by using annotations like at the rate of context, at the rate of context, and at the rate of spring, at the rate of bean. Like this, the some annotations are there. By using these annotations, we can able to reduce the code.
Which are the features of Java?
Java is the simple and object oriented and platform independent and etc.
And what are the features of JavaScript?
JavaScript. I don't know.
Okay. What are the advantage of Spring Boot?
Spring Boot is mainly reducing the code, ma'am, by using tiny leaf, MVC model architecture, and by using the JDBC architecture. By using these architecture, we can able to reduce the code.
Define key components of Spring Boot.
Some of the key components of Spring Boot are other JDBC, Java database connectivity. In this Java database connectivity, we can use it to interact with the database by using the Java server pages. That means JSP. In this JSP, we can able to whatever we have to interact with the database, we can write the code in the JSP in the form of JSP.
What is CSS?
CSS is a cascading styles. When we want to design the web pages, cascading style sheet. When we want to design any web pages, we can use the format like the CSS. By using style, we can able to reduce the width, length, and when we want to change the colors, we can able to change the colors also.
What are the features of CSS?
CSS features or it is easily modifiable, simple, etc.
Okay. You done internship also?
Yes.
AIML?
Yes.
You know AI?
Yes.
What is AI?
Artificial intelligence is one of the technology. Instead of using human as a part, we are using the robots. By using robots, we can able to interact with the users. If they have any queries, by using the robots, they can interact with them and they clarify their doubts.
And what is ML?
ML is the machine learning. Machine learning is the one of the technology we can able to introduce the machine learning by using statistics. We can write the logic now.
Okay. Done. Here.